What is up guys, this is Vishu again from SavageCamp and I wanted to make one last video on a threading example. This is going to be much cleaner and much easier to understand. I'm not going to bring in the CPU count and everything because that is not needed. I will just show you the power of threading via this simple for loop that prints the number and then goes into sleep. The reason I have 5 over here is I'm running this 5 times, so it's going to be 25 seconds. If I do this 10, it's going to take around 50 seconds. I don't want to wait that long. So this is going to run 25 seconds. I'm going to throw in a stopwatch to show you how it looks, and I will forward this just for the sake of it. But let's start with running this. So I run this and start the stopwatch and fast forward this part. So without threading, we have this program which ran for like 25 seconds. Now let me open up this one. This is a new stopwatch and let me write the threading module. Let's get rid of this and t is equal to thread, and I'm going to pass a target of foo. Remember to not put the brackets. We are not calling the function. We are assigning the function to the thread, and then we will start this thread. So 5 times it is going to start this thread, and I will just say thread started, so we know that it has started. So 5 threads. Let's see what happens. That's it guys, it's done. This program finished in 5 seconds, and if you didn't use threading, it takes 25 seconds. And this is why threading is mostly used when you have to do parallel executions, because in the previous case you had to run this once, then you had to run this again twice, then 3 times, 4 times and 5 times. When you have thread, there are 5 threads running this simultaneously. That is why it only took us 5 seconds. And you can see the output 0 thread started. So this is printing 0, which is the first number. So 5 times it has started because we have 5 threads, and then it is printing out all those values. So that is it, a very short and quick threading example. If you want, push this to GitHub and have something over there. This is just for practice, just for understanding why threading is important and why threading is needed. So I think that's it guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.